Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into the world of crafting with the innovative Haus full-size hot glue sticks bulk 100 pack, designed to fit full-size glue guns perfectly at 8 inches by 0.43 inches. These hot glue sticks are your go-to solution for quick-setting adhesive, achieving optimal bonding in just 20 to 30 seconds, ensuring strong adhesion for all your creative and repair tasks. Whether you're working on wood, metal, glass, or more, these glue sticks offer dual temperature compatibility, making them ideal for both low and high temperature applications. Experience unmatched clarity with our completely transparent glue sticks, providing a neat finish and strong adhesion every time. Plus, their flexibility means they won't break when bent, making them perfect for homemade jewelry, fabrics, foam, and basic repairs. Remember, these glue sticks are exclusively designed for full-size hot glue guns, ensuring you get the best results for all your crafting needs. So, get ready to craft, bond, and create with confidence using the innovative Haus hot glue sticks. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.